Hi everyone, my name is Tanya Koinjure, but you can call me Kamin. Today I want to talk to you about how to be healthy and strong. Being healthy is super important because they help us feel good, play hard, and have fun every day. First, let's talk about food. Eating healthy foods is like putting the best fuel in a car. We need to eat lots of fruits and vegetables because they need both vitamin and energy. Try to eat colorful foods like carrots, apples, and broccoli. There's yummy and keep our bodies healthy. My favorite food is pat or clarified vegetables, and my favorite drink is carrot juice. Next, let's remember to drink water. Our bodies need water to stay hydrated, especially when we're running around and playing. Water helps us think clearly and keep our skin looking great. So, try to drink water instead of sugary drink. Next, let's move our bodies. Exercise is super fun and help us stay fit. You can play sport, ride your bike, dance, or even go for a walk with your family. Aim to be active for at least 30 minutes each day. It's a great way to make new friends and have fun. My favorite type of exercise is dancing. I like it because dancing is great cardio workout and can improve your fitness, coordination, and balance. Sleep is also really important for our health. When we sleep, our body rests and recharge. Make sure you get enough sleep each night around 9 to 11 hours is great for kids. A good night's sleep helps us be focused and be ready for the day. Lastly, let's talk about our feeling. It's okay to feel happy, sad, or even a little angry sometimes. Talking to someone we trust, like a parent or a friend, can help us feel better. Keeping our minds healthy is just as important as keeping our bodies healthy. So, remember to be healthy. Eat colorful foods, drink a lot of water, exercise every day, get enough sleep, and take care of your feelings. If we do this thing, we can have more fun and enjoy life to the fullest. Thank you for listening. Let's all work together to be healthy and strong.